Welcome to my natural studio after a long time. I am very busy because my exam is knocking at the door. So that's why I can't make video properly. But today I want to share with you something that is related to my life. So what kind of things I want to share with you today? So that I want to share with you that is very very important with my friends. Last 3 days ago, I went to the nearest city in my house. So after going there, I have just selected a school for going there after on a day. So that is English medium school. So I think if I go there and if I try to teach something to the student, and what I know, I don't know everything. I can't speak English properly. I will not say that because this is not a positive sentence. All time I have to say positive sentence. I don't know, I will know. I don't know, I will know. But it doesn't matter how I will know. How I will know, I have to know. I have to find the way how I have to know everything, how I have to learn English. And in such a way, I will teach English the students how I have learned. I will share my own feelings, how I have learned, what kind of system I follow every single day for learning English, what they have to do for speak English, for learn English. I think if I share with them easily, they will learn English. So that's why I will join them, and this will be the best offers in my life, I think, because this is the single step. Next step, I have to go to the next step for improving my skills. I want to give the speaking exam after some months. So, and that's why I have another dream right now. Before each day, I have to buy a laptop. That is very very important for me to take the program, to join the program, and also for making so many things. For example, worksheet and typing for making different kind of sheet. So if you want to make different kind of sheet, and also if you want to write something, of course you have to buy a laptop. With the mobile phone you can't do that. So that's why it's very very important for me. I will buy a laptop as well before a day. Now I have a two dream before a day. Just one is I will buy a laptop before a day, and also after a day I will join in English medium school, and that is highlighted. That is very important for me because I want to go to the next level. Hey viewers, what I want to you, I want your valuable prayer and pray for me every time so that I can go to the next level and I can give you something for the beginners. I can give for the beginners. I can give some advice for the beginners how you have to improve. Okay, so that's all today, and I shared my feelings, what I have to do, what I am gonna do recently. Okay, thank you so much. Don't time I don't make video long time in my YouTube channel, so I'm thinking that is very very important. My exam is knocking at the door. Exam is very important for me. If I make the video after the exam, I think it will be better for me. It will also I'm listening continuously, I'm improving myself, I'm taking some training. I hope it will be better for me, better things. Okay, and the same way you have to practice English in your home, and just a few minutes, few moments, you think you are a very positive boy, you are very action mode, you can learn English, you will be able to learn English, you are thinking that. But after sometimes the next day your power is zero, your motivation is zero. So what you have to do in this moment, in this time? This is very very challenging. Learning English is very very challenging. Why it's challenging? Because it's a different language. This is not your mother tongue, this is not your language. That's why it's very very challenging, but you have to overcome this challenge. You have to just do something. You have to make some videos, you have to record yourself, and also you have to practice English every single day. And most thing what you have to know, that is you have to listening at least 2 hours per day if you want to improve your speak English, if you want to speak English fluently, if you want to talk like a native speaker. One of my most dream is I have to be a native speaker. Pray for me as well. I'll see you very soon with another video. Have a nice day.